Welcome to this tropics forecast video. We'll be talking about like Central America and Caribbean. So let's see first some dust stuff because there's some lingering dust there coming off of Africa. So there are big concentrations in parts of the Western Sahara there, some in the Cape Verde, and then more dust plumes there near Africa. They won't be approaching Cape Verde, but the easternmost islands might get some dust in the next few days. But there's lots of dust in parts of the Caribbean too. It's not very thick dust, but there's dust. So, for example, around Trinidad and Tobago and other areas, there's like 43 or 42 this formula here of dust. So there are also dust in parts of Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and all the way to the US, even in Central America, some dust too. So if you have allergies or breathing issues, be careful. This is a thin dust concentration, but it can cause lower visibility and allergies anyway. In parts of Guyana too, and Suriname, in northern Venezuela too. So be aware of this dust. Let's see, Monday. So the dust lingers for a bit more in parts of the southern Caribbean, northern Venezuela, in another area there in the Dominican Republic with some more dust. And yeah, but the northeastern Caribbean is generally fine from dust, and the dust that is like in Central America now will dissipate. There will be very little in the next few days, but there's lots of lingering dust in the Caribbean. So let's see here. So rainfall now, that's what everyone likes to know more. Let's see. We have lots of lingering showers the everyday in parts of Panama and Costa Rica there. It's wet there in Colombia too, in the west coast of Colombia, more in Costa Rica too. This model changes every time, so let's see rain accumulation to have a better idea. Next 3 days, let's see. So there's more accumulation parts of Costa Rica and Panama, but it's like it's like 46 millimeters, nothing crazy, but some showers and storms will continue there. So even parts of Guatemala and southern Honduras, parts of Nicaragua might get some rain there. But if you go to 5 days, it gets a lot of rain in the open waters of the Pacific there. So we are watching for maybe our first cyclone of the season there in the Eastern Pacific. So there's nothing out yet for it, but in the next few weeks or days we might get a disturbance there, so we'll keep you updated. And we have some indications too that like a tropical wave will form around the 22nd of May and dump a lot of rain in parts of the Dominican Republics and Haiti, Puerto Rico, southern Bahamas. There'll be like lots of rain there, but that's far out in the end of the month. So we will keep monitoring that and we'll tell you how it plays out too. So let's see. But in terms of rain in the Eastern Caribbean, it's generally calm. Next 3 days, just some little blue spots for occasional light showers. Puerto Rico has calmed down too, Dominican Republic as well. So the US is active there, and parts of southern Central America there, and Colombia will have more rain. And scattered in other parts of Central America like southwestern Mexico and Guatemala on the Pacific side might get some rain, but nothing crazy yet. We'll keep monitoring. Some small blue spots in Jamaica for some passing showers too, parts of Cuba. Yeah, we'll keep you updated. But if you go to next 5 days, it shows a little spot with more rain in the northeastern, northwestern Bahamas there, like 99 millimeters. So there might be a leftover front or something. We'll keep you updated.